Hello, hi, welcome, namaste. I am Preeti Sachdeva from Parenting with Preeti. As you all know that I have started my joyful journey, Your Path to Happiness podcast talk show. So today I have a very beautiful, nice, great friend of mine, Mrs. Eena Singh ji. Eena ji,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much for coming and accepting my invite.
Welcome, dear. Thank you so much for inviting me on your talk show. It's
My,
lovely to be here.
my pleasure too. So before we start with the podcast talk show and before I introduce to the topic, I would love to introduce her that Mrs. Eena Singh ji is a dynamic soft skills trainer with over 17 years of experience in education and development. She has mentored 5,000 plus students excelling in motivation, team building, and emotional intelligence. Currently at Lloyd Business School, she leads the initiative like Fun Friday and Speech Weavers to boost confidence. With a postgraduate in organic chemistry and certification in POSH, Train the Trainer, and more, she is an MBA in HR training. A dedicated mentor, Ina ji also volunteers as a life skills and menstrual hygiene trainer. So thank you so much, Ina ji, for coming again.
Thank you so much for praising me with lovely words of yours. And I feel back to square with you, Preeti, because we have very beautiful memories with each other. And so thank you for inviting me on your talk show.
My pleasure too, and it's a great time that we are meeting after a long time on such a great platform too. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, dear. Absolutely.
So as I have told you that she is a trainer, she is a basically a soft skill trainer also. So today's topic is mastering soft skills for success. अब हमने ये सॉफ्ट स्किल का नाम तो बहुत बार सुना कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होती हैं कुछ, बाकी ये होता क्या है और इसको कैसे करना चाहिए, आज उसी चीज पे हम दोनों बातचीत करने वाले हैं. एंड आई होप दिस हेल्प्स यू ऑल आउट. सो ईना जी, एक बात बताइए, ये सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होती क्या है और ये जरूरी क्यों है हमारे टाइम पे?
एब्सोल्युटली प्रीति जी, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बहुत जरूरी है हम सब के लिए. आई बी यूजिंग द मीडियम इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी
जी.
both so that our audience can understand it. It's a very widely used term nowadays. Every second person आपको बोलता नजर आ जाएगा, भाई आपकी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आपकी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए. एंड यस, हम सभी को मालूम है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए. बट जब बात आती है सॉफ्ट स्किल्स की, तब हम सोचने में मजबूर हो जाते हैं कि किस किस एरिया में हमें काम करना चाहिए. बिकॉज एक एरिया नहीं है इसमें, 100 से भी अधिक एरियाज हैं जहां पर हमें सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत है. जैसे कि सबसे पहले हो गया हमारी बातचीत, आर कम्युनिकेशन, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट राइट अवे. ऑल्सो आवर एक्सप्रेशंस, हाउ वी आर प्रेजेंटिंग टू ईच अदर, हाउ आर जेस्चर्स, our hand movements. There are so many things into it. Now, everyone thinks how to improve them. Aren't we having all those things with us? It is imbibed in all of us. हम सबके अंदर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होती हैं. लेकिन हाँ, डॉम
The video got stuck by mistake. It's okay. No worries. हाँ जी, ईना जी अब कुछ कह रहे हैं. जैसे कि ईना जी ने बताया कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स जो है बहुत ही ज़रूरी होती है हमारी लाइफ के लिए. द काइंड ऑफ gestures we are giving, the kind of body movement we are giving.
in our lives, and it is not related to any age. Everyone should be proficient in soft skills. हम सभी को अपनी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पॉलिश करने की आवश्यकता है, किसी को थोड़ी, किसी को ज्यादा. नट शेल में अगर मैं बोलूं तो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हमारी बातचीत, हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन, हमारी लुक्स, हम हमारे हाव भाव, इन हमारा बिहेवियर, इन सबका मिला जुला मिक्सचर है, जो कि हमें बहुत जरूरी है. हम किसी से भी मिलते हैं तो उससे कनेक्ट करने के लिए. और आप इसके बारे में क्या जानना चाहती हैं? आई वुड लाइक टू नो, प्रीति जी.
हाँ जी. पर पहले तो आपने इतना ब्यूटीफुली इस चीज को समझाया दैट सॉफ्ट स्किल इज समथिंग पूरा आपका जैसे बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो गया एक तरीके से. आपकी
जी
आईज का
जी.
जेस्चर्स होना, आपके फेस के जेस्चर्स होना, आपका हैंड मूवमेंट होना, कनेक्टिविटी उससे से ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होती है. what we are saying will be communicated in the right sense. जब आपके ये जो ये विजुअल ये है ये आपको करेक्ट मैसेज दे
बिल्कुल,
रहा हो
यही हमारा
सामने वाले
सबसे
का।
इम्पोर्टेंट एरिया है बॉडी का।
राइट।
जिससे भी हम मिलते हैं, हमारी सबसे पहले वी हैव आई कांटेक्ट विद दैट पर्सन, दैट शोज माय कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिकली। And then comes, after eye contact, it is the smile, which actually connects me with the other person. So
यस।
two things are very, very important when we meet strangers or our loved ones, or anybody in office, anywhere, wherever we connect, उसमें चाहे अनजान लोग हों, चाहे हमारे अपने beloved हों, हम जिनसे भी मिलते हैं, आई थिंक सबसे पहले हमारा आई कांटेक्ट होता है, उसके बाद दूसरे नंबर पे हमारी स्माइल आती है।
यस।
इन दो चीजों से आप इमीडिएट कनेक्ट हो जाते हो। तब तक तो हमने अपने शब्द भी नहीं बोले होते, हमारा कम्युनिकेशन भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ होता, एंड वी गेट कनेक्टेड विद द पीपल अराउंड अस। सो दैट इज हाउ द थिंग्स मूव ऑन। दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ आवर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स।
ओके, दैट्स वंडरफुल, वंडरफुली एक्सप्लेन। एंड नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस, अब जैसे हम लोगों ने जान लिया कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होती क्या हैं, तो आई वुड लास्ट लाइक टू आस्क यू ईना जी कि ये सॉफ्ट स्किल्स जो है हाउ इट कैन कंट्रीब्यूट टू द प्रोफेशनल सक्सेस एंड द पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट।
Okay, let's take it up separately, both the things. When we talk about professional attributes, where how it is helpful over there, it is very, very helpful in growing as an individual, moving to the next position. So every step, soft skills are required. For example, if I start with the journey of my job, I move to the office with my hard skills. That is my resume, my cover letter.
Okay.
Those are my hard skills. Because soft skill is incomplete without my hard skills. A lot of people do not know what hard skills are. Hard skills are nothing but my degrees, my grades, my skills like if I know Excel, if I know Microsoft Office, I'm able to make PowerPoint presentations, Power BI, Tableau in today's world. All these things, my business analytics skills, these will all fall into the hard skills. How well I'm able to use the system and how well I am equipped with my knowledge part. That are my hard skills. Beyond this, once you carry your resume with you and your cover letter is kept on the table, you get the entry inside. यहां से हमारी सॉफ्ट स्किल की जर्नी शुरू हो जाती है। सबसे पहले तो सामने वाला मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स चेक करेगा। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आर नथिंग बट क्या मैं अपने आप को सामने वाले के सामने एक्सप्रेस कर पा रही हूँ, जो मेरे यहाँ पर चल रही हैं चीजें दिमाग में, क्या मैं वो सामने वाले को पहुंचा पा रही हूँ। कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी सिंपल, दिस इज इट। एंड देर आर मेनी वेज। अगर हम छोटे बच्चे को देखें तो छोटा बच्चा अपने आप को कैसे एक्सप्रेस करता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस। बचपन में वो सिर्फ सुन रहा होता है, उसको बोलना नहीं आता है। सपोजिंग उसको सीट चाहिए बैठने के लिए, तो वो एल्बोज यूज करके आपको हाईलाइट करता है कि आई वांट टू सिट डाउन हियर, गिव मी सीट। सो एक्सप्रेशंस आर देयर, दैट इज नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। कम्युनिकेशन में भी एक हो गया वर्बल, जो हम मुंह से बोल रहे हैं, मौखिक, और दूसरा हो गया हमारा नॉन वर्बल, जिसमें हमारे आई कांटेक्ट, हैंड जेस्चर्स, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, सब कुछ उसका मिला जुला मिक्सचर है। So that is how we start our journey as a professional, because the person on the other side would like to know, any interviewer क्या चाहता है, कोई भी एम्प्लॉयर जो है हमारा, वो क्या चाहता है कि मैं जिस एम्प्लॉय को रख रहा हूं उसको बोलना आना चाहिए, नंबर वन, वो कोई भी चीज एक्सप्रेस कर सके, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। उसके अलावा उसके पास कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि मैं कोई भी काम उसको बोलूं, उसको डर ना लगे। तीसरा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, थर्ड वन, वो अडेप्टेबल होना चाहिए ना। ये तीनों ही चीजें सॉफ्ट स्किल का हिस्सा है। कम्युनिकेशन से हमने स्टार्ट किया, देन वी वेंट ऑन टू यू कैन से अडेप्टेबिलिटी, ऑल्सो कॉन्फिडेंस। कॉन्फिडेंस हमें कैसे आएगा? कमरे में बैठकर हमें कभी भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ सकता। जब तक कोई चीज हमें चैलेंज नहीं करेगी, हिट नहीं देगी, हम कभी भी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो पाएंगे। हम हमेशा अपने आप को अंडर एस्टिमेट करते रहते हैं। सो वी नीड टू मूव आउट टू द वर्ल्ड। Whatever is challenging you, take it up as a challenge and go ahead. Give it a hit. Nothing will happen. You may be at the bottom level, but then you are much better than sitting in the room or sitting in your own shell. उस शेल को जरूर तोड़िए। शुरू में चैलेंज लगेगा, डिफिकल्टी आएगी, बट यस, वंस यू नो हाउ टू ब्रेक इट, slowly slowly the door will open, and it will be you will be completely outside, and confidence will be oozing out from you. It reflects from your body language, it reflects from your face, it reflects from your inside. There are many levels of confidence. One is we are showing but we are not, अंदर से हम नहीं है लेकिन हम बाहर से दिखा रहे हैं। एक है हम अंदर से भी हैं और बाहर से भी हैं, दैट इज, बोथ द थिंग्स आर विजिबल। स्टार्टिंग में हम बाहर से होंगे, अंदर से नहीं होंगे, ये नेचुरल है। when we start anything, even if I start something today new, मेरे भी पेट में बटरफ्लाईज उड़ती हैं अच्छे से, like this, and stomach also aches a little, anxiety is also there, so everything is there, but then that little confidence is there, small one. Yes, I can do it, let me try. All these words, I can do it, let me try, do it and try. This takes you ahead, and this also helps in improving your own self, and this is what people are looking for as employers. Or even if you are self-employed, the most important skill you need to have is interpersonal skills. In the job I spoke about 3 things, बट नेक्स्ट लेवल पर जब आप आते हैं, एक लेवल भी आपने प्रमोशन लिया है, तो ये इंटरपर्सनल स्किल वहां भी रिक्वायर्ड है. सो यू कैन कनेक्ट द डॉट्स हियर. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड को डे 1 से चाहिए. I'll give you the examples also to understand it. When I talk about self-employed, I may be doing any business, but I need people for that. And to do the business, I need to connect with the people. And to connect with the people, I need interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are nothing, but जब आप सामने वाले से connect किस तरह से करते हैं, उसके लिए of course communication जरूरी है.
Absolutely.
लेकिन connection भी जरूरी है. और connection के लिए एक word यहाँ पर निकल कर आएगा, empathy. Emotional intelligence.
Right.
These are the 2 terms which are very, very important. And nowadays we overlook at it. Because हमें बचपन से, right from the childhood, we have been hearing IQ, IQ, IQ. Your IQ is very good. Fantastic. And it is dependent on grades. It is decided how well the student gets marks in the school or college or in the particular class. I do not disagree that IQ is also important, but then without emotional intelligence, we stand nowhere in the market. We stand nowhere in the family. So it is very important. I will be coming to the relationships later. Let's first work on the professional part. It will be easy to understand for you. Later on, I'll be mixing the 2 so that you can understand it easily. So professionally, when you are going higher up in the professional ladder, in the hierarchy, when you are leading a lot of people, you need few other skills. Teamwork, leadership skills are required. Emotional intelligence is at the top. That means you understand your people. If you understand them well, you will be able to take work from them very well. It comes automatically.
Absolutely.
Emotional intelligence is nothing but putting yourself in their shoes and understanding it. One small example I would like to quote here related to office only. Workplace example. Now there are 2 employees, 2 bosses separately, A and B. Set A, set B. Set A has a lot of problems suddenly at home. Let's say A and B both have problems. Maybe somebody has met with an accident at home and they both call in the office. They both have the same situation. There is an accident in the mornings of close family member and they call up in the office to their bosses. A understands it and says, all right, take care of your family and let's connect by evening and let me know all the things. Second case, the boss immediately reacts and says, every day you have something or the other to say. All right, let's meet tomorrow. And the conversation is over. So according to you, Preeti ji, I would like to ask you here. I would like your input here. A would be better as a boss or B would be better?
A would be better because he empathetically connects with
Definitely
that
yes.
situation, right?
And what is the simple reason behind choosing A? Why did you choose A?
He was a patient, a good listener,
Yes.
एंड
Yes.
उसने जो है उसकी अपने एम्प्लॉय की बात को पूरी सुन के उसके बाद उसके साथ उसके शू में अपने आप को रख के फिर अपनी एक रिस्पॉन्स दिया उसके लिए.
करेक्ट. और आपने सही वर्ड यूज किया, रिस्पॉन्स. इट वाज रिस्पॉन्डिंग, नॉट रिएक्टिंग. दीज आर टू डिफरेंट टर्म्स. रिस्पॉन्ड हम हमेशा एम्पथाइज करके करते हैं. यहाँ पर उसने इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस का प्रदर्शन दिया. आपने उसको समझ में आया कि मेरे जूनियर के या एम्प्लॉय के यहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, वो नहीं आ सकता है. ही अंडरस्टूड इट एंड अकॉर्डिंगली ही रिस्पॉन्डेड इट कि ठीक है, मुझे शाम को सिचुएशन बताना. उसने ये नहीं बोला कि कल मुझे बताना.
बिल्कुल.
And he also indirectly took care of his employee also by asking that, by understanding it. In the second case, it was the other way around. He was only bothered about the work and work, not bothered about what is happening at the employee's place. So do you think where the employee would be working for a longer period, in under A or under B?
अंडर बी का सिचुएशन
Under
ऐसा
A.
होगा तो मेनी पीपल दे जस्ट रेजिस्ट विद द जॉब और जाकर रेजिग्नेशन ही देंगे अगले दिन सुबह कि हमें करना ही नहीं है ऐसा.
Absolutely. This is a reason for the people moving out. It is not the company which irritates them or they leave the jobs because of the companies. Because of the toxic bosses, people leave the company and move to the next place. Because emotional connection is important. It's very, very important, very, very critical. Nowadays, a lot of workshops are also getting conducted at the workplace based on emotional intelligence. It is getting very, very high weightage. Nobody is ignoring the IQ, but as you deal with more and more people, you have to get your work done. You need to understand them. And for that, IQ doesn't help. It is the emotional intelligence which helps and which is required everywhere.
So,
इसको हम अनुभूति भी कहते हैं हिंदी में. एम्पथाइजिंग मीन्स अनुभूति होना किसी के लिए, उसको महसूस करना चीज को कि वो किस प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहा है एंड व्हाट कैन बी. एंड इन दैट केस यू ऑल्सो सजेस्ट सॉल्यूशंस as per your understanding about his problem. And also you would do the same, give the same suggestion which you would have given to yourself in that particular situation. That is putting yourself into the other person's shoes and understanding and then suggesting things accordingly. So always empathy is action oriented and it's very, very critical. Now let's move on to, also before going to the relationships, there are a few more things which I would like to say here. Conflict management, time management, negotiation skills. Now these are very, very important skills. Negotiation skills where we bargain. Simple term is bargaining, but that is for vegetables and all grocery items we do. But at office, we negotiate things with reasoning and with, like if I want a promotion, I would negotiate it. I would give reasons for it, why I am eligible for it. Right. Then conflict management as a manager or at a higher level. If your people are fighting for any cause or any reason, you should know how to manage them by knowing the conflict management concepts. True. There are people who run away from the things. Okay, you fight. I'm not interested. But ideal way would be to intervene into it. There are methods of how you can manage the conflicts. Then time management, very, very important. I think it's important for everyone. From A to Z, everyone requires it. Managing your time properly. We have just 24 hours with us. Of that, 8 hours we are sleeping. Let's remove 2-3 again hours for freshening up and our food and something. So 3 more hours are removed. Or ideally, let's remove 4 hours. So 8 plus 4 are 12 hours. What is left is only 12 hours with us. Now, everyone has those 12 hours. How we utilize them to get maximum benefit from them is the challenge. There are a lot of techniques. One or two maybe I would like to mention here. There is a Pomodoro technique. According to this, we work for 25 minutes, again 25 minutes break, then 25 minutes. In this manner, we do it for 4 times. It improves our productivity, and then we take a longer break and repeat the cycle again. That means 25, 5 minutes break, 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. 4 times we would do this. Then it is half an hour or you can say 25 to 30 minutes break, and then again repeat the cycle if required. This really helps. And also we can maintain to-do list, which also helps in managing the time and getting our work done properly. It's a very simple thing, which even a homemaker or housewives can use it at home, keeping it on the fridge. Best way to do is keeping a magnetic board on the fridge and writing down the to-do list. This is what I need to do today. Maybe just 3 things, but that work gets completed when you write it down. It makes a lot of difference. All right, moving on to the personal things now, relationships
To-do
with
list.
these soft skills.
To-do list के लिए I will add one thing. Today in the morning only my daughter was making her to-do list and she has pasted something on the wall कि आज मुझे ये पढ़ना है, बीच में इतनी इतनी मुझे वो चाहिए, ब्रेक चाहिए. So it completely resonates कि हाँ, घर पे भी बच्चे तक ये चीज कर सकते हैं, हाउसवाइफ कर सकती हैं, तो
Absolutely,
professional और every
absolutely.
area can be done.
And
Very
it
nice.
works because when we are confused here,
Hmm.
nothing happens in our life properly. Clarity is here. Automatically, you write it down. You may not be able to perform all the to-do list activities. It's okay. It's just a checklist. At least you're finishing the work one after the other. And we should avoid multitasking. We should be doing one thing at a time because, again, it leads to a lot of confusion. There's a myth related to it. A lot of people are under the impression that we should be doing multitasking. Multitasking actually requires more time because from one job, you're moving on to the other one. So you are completely shutting one thing and starting the other one again. So n number of times you are closing and starting, that time will be saved if you focus only on one thing, complete it, and then move on to the next one.
Right, right.
Even as a child, even I used to think multitasking is very good. And gradually I realized through a lot of research, studying, and also few of the mentors which guided us through that, yes, multitasking is really not very fruitful. If you're good, some people are very good in that, but we all try to follow each other, which we shouldn't be doing. We should be focusing on one thing.
एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, ज्यादातर लोग ना दे आस्क कि 4 काम इकट्ठे एक ही टाइम पे करना इज अ मल्टीटास्किंग. तो इज इट ट्रू?
Correct. That's true. That is what is multitasking. But that leads to, you can say productivity is less, time consumption is more, and confusion is more.
Right.
Like if in kitchen you're doing 4 things at the same time, chances of spoiling the things is more. And then you are spending more time cleaning it, creating another thing. Sometimes we spoil the food because of that reason also.
Right.
We forget because of multitasking.
Absolutely. Seriously.
I hope I have answered your question, Preeti
Yes,
ji.
very beautifully, very beautifully. क्योंकि ज्यादातर ये लोग समझते हैं कि हाँ, हम जैसे आपने किचन की इतनी अच्छी बात करी कि एक तरफ गैस ऑन है, दूसरी तरफ मुझे बर्तन भी करने हैं, तीसरी तरफ मुझे अपना प्लेट्स वगैरह जो क्रॉकरी भी लगानी है. बाय द टाइम द लेडी हैज गॉन टू द डाइनिंग फॉर द क्रॉकरी, और वहां पे खाना जल गया, और फिर वो या
It
तो दूध उबल
happens.
के गिर जाएगा या खाना जल जाएगा. कॉमन एग्जांपल्स हैं ये तो.
Now,
और
I would like to add here related to kitchen only. In multitasking, you should avoid. Multitasking means working at the same time at different areas. Leaving one and starting other, and in between you are leaving the things. But yes, you can do smart work in the kitchen. If you're boiling milk, along with that, once you have started off with that, you can start another work, maximum one more work, where you're keeping an eye on the milk also, and you are doing that. That is a smart working, not multitasking.
Right.
There is a little difference between the two things. People misunderstand between multitasking and smart working. So smart working is acceptable everywhere because it comes from the branch. Major root is hard work. From hard work, smart work is coming out. So smart work is always acceptable. And in fact, it's a favorite question of the interviewers. What is the difference between smart work and hard work? Like if I explain it in simple terms, hard work is taking the long route to the destination. But once you know your destination, there are a lot of shortcuts also. On the first day, you cannot do smart work. But maybe after 4 or 5 times you have visited the place and you know the shortcuts, you can be smart worker in that. Coming to office, how can we do smart work? Wherever you can delegate the work. This another term is coming, delegation. It is a part of soft skills.
Right.
Delegate बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. Most of the people like to work alone and take the entire credit to themselves. मैंने किया है. I have done it. I'm the best person who has done it. But delegating is also an art. When you delegate means your brain is getting used. You're explaining that work to the other person. You automatically rise a little higher and then you are able to explain to that person and that person is doing it. It delegation develops the leadership skills also in you automatically. जब आप किसी काम को सामने वाले से करवाते हो तो आपकी लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज भी तो अच्छी हो जाती हैं, उसमें पॉलिश्ड हो जाती हैं.
Absolutely.
So people should wholeheartedly delegate things. Another word I would like to speak upon here is I would connect all this with relationship because ये सारी चीजें हमें relationship में भी चाहिए. Appreciation.
Right.
The word coming up is appreciation. The word coming up is gratitude. We rarely look forward to them. ना हम thank you बोलना चाहते हैं. Gratitude is nothing but saying thank you every day to whatever we have. We may not have the best of the things, but we do have a lot of things with us, which are really appreciable, which a lot of people are devoid of. They do not have that, and they are praying for that. Whereas we have those things with us naturally, but we do not even take care of them. है तो है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And we are looking at the things which are not with us. Oh, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास इतनी मनी नहीं है. Oh my God, my lifestyle is not that good. But you look at your lifestyle, which is much better than so many other people. It's a simple saying also that if you have a house to live in, if you have food to eat, if you have bed to sleep, if you have a family with you who takes care of you and who you can look upon to, you are the richest person on this planet Earth. You need not worry about anything else. Rest everything you can create. Now, these things are really difficult to create. Although money can create it, but अगर आपके पास ये सारी चीजें हैं, you should be really thankful for. And appreciation. Yes, Preeti ji, you were saying something?
इसके अंदर जितना आपने ये बताया है कि आई थिंक ये कंपैरिजन से भी वो चीजें शुरू हो जाती हैं. अच्छा, उसके पास ऐसी गाड़ी है, मेरे पास नहीं है. उसके पास ऐसा घर है, मेरे पास नहीं है. उसकी लग्जरियस लाइफ है, मेरी नहीं है. बट वंस यू आर बीइंग वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर व्हाट यू हैव एंड यू स्टार्ट गिविंग, तो वो चीजें अपने आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली तरीके से आपने इस चीज को समझाया कि इस चीजों
Yes, you
को
have
क्रिएट
added one beautiful word here, giving.
कर.
Gratitude, from G only we have giving. Once you are thankful for the things you have in your life, you also start giving to the people around you. Maybe anything, it may not be money, it may be your knowledge,
Yes.
it may be your any skill set you have, it may be only your time. That is also giving. Whatever you are
I'll add
giving to
one.
any other person other than your family, yes, Preeti ji, it would be
आई
great.
विल ऐड वन मोर थिंग. जैसे हम लोग आपस में एक दूसरे को काफी टाइम से जानते ही हैं. व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड आर दिस, आई रिमेम्बर कि जब पहली बार मैंने कुछ ऐसा, हम लोगों ने ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे इकट्ठे वो करना शुरू किया था, आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस. एंड शी यूज टू मोटिवेट मी कि होगा, देखा जाएगा, कर ले, तू करके देख, करके देख, अभी कर, अभी कर. एंड टुडे इज द डे. After 3 years, I think we are meeting on this platform, and she has turned the whole story of my life. मीन्स मैं जहाँ, मुझे जैसे अभी उन्होंने बताया कि अंदर बटरफ्लाइज भी उड़ती हैं, ये भी होता है, वो भी होता है, पहले भी होता था, अभी कुछ न्यू चीजें होंगी उसके लिए डेफिनेटली होगा. बट दैट काइंड ऑफ पॉडकास्ट शो आई हैव स्टार्टेड, या और भी प्लेटफॉर्म से कभी वीडियो वगैरह बनानी होती थी, एक वीडियो बनाने में भी ऐसा लगता था हे भगवान कैसे होगा, और अब ऐसा होता है अच्छा ठीक है ये बोलना, चलो ठीक है
Oh,
कर.
it's on the click, like
On
this.
the
It
click.
happens.
Right.
Yes. See, life is like that. We all learn and move on. Moving is constant. Change, again, this is another concept of soft skills only. Change and resilience. Two things again I would like to speak word by word. Change is the only thing which is constant. वो लगातार हो रहा है हमारे आसपास. हम अगर flexible नहीं होंगे, adaptable नहीं होंगे, we will remain stiff and we will break down.
Absolutely.
If we are flexible, we will keep on moving with a pace and speed. Like it's for all elderly people, generation to generation, things have been happening. New things are coming in the market. Ask your children, they're there to support us. The new generation is ready to support us. Yes, of course, then they are the Gurujis and we are the students. They might say something which may hurt our sentiments or ego, but keep it aside. That time you are a student. You have 2 years. एक से सुनिए, दूसरे से hurting वाली चीजें निकाल दीजिए and learn.
Wow.
When you are learning, you have to unlearn things and relearn the new things.
Wow.
That
What
is
a
happening
beautiful
continuously.
philosophy. Learn, unlearn, and relearn. Such a beautiful philosophy you have given for this. And
Because once we learn something, and let's take it as a board, it is completely filled with all learning.
Right.
Until unless we remove certain things, where we would add on the new things. It
Right.
will be writing on rewriting things above that. So it will be a confusion in our mind. So we need to remove that, add on new things. And add on the new things with happy note. Yes, new things are happening around us. Our current generation is beautiful.
Yes.
So automatically you will love things happening around you and absorption of things would be faster. We should be like sponge.
Flexible.
Absorbing knowledge, not everything. Absorbing knowledge, no negativity. Absorbing knowledge. I'm very specific about it. Absorbing positivity, absorbing knowledge, absorbing love, absorbing care.
So,
and when it is overflowing, start giving.
Start giving. Yes.
Don't keep it to yourself.
Yes, yes, yes. Otherwise, वो overflow होता आगे आपको ही productive नहीं देगा वो. It's better to give.
You will remain productive only when you give it back to the society, back to the people around you. Right. So giving is important. Let's talk about appreciation also. Very, very important word. And very important not only at the workplace, in relationship as well. How many times do we say, you are lovely, you're fantastic, at home? Understood है, अच्छे हो, अच्छा खाना है, understood है, खा लिया. Appreciate. Very nice. Very good. We are very fast in passing critical comments. As a critic, we are always ready to say something or the other. We are very sarcastic at the times. But are we appreciative? Because sarcasm is equal, will cancel out if we are appreciative. We may have little tough tone, but then if we are appreciative of the things, it will be taken care of. But what happens most of the time, we are very critical about the things. We speak very negative. But when it comes to saying positive, we are not there. We remain quiet. We don't speak out. So speak out good things also about the people. Everyone loves to hear positive words. What can be the positive words? Even your expressions, they speak positivity. You can have these symbols. Superb. Wow. Fantastic, boss. Fantastic. So these things add value in your day-to-day life. With any relationship, whether it is with spouse, whether it is with children, whether it is with anybody around you. Right. Make anybody feel special. They will never forget you. It's not what we say matters. It is how we make other people feel. Right. That is important.
Exactly.
So I think this, with entire soft skills, I have completed in just 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever Preeti ji has given me the time. Relationships also revolve around all these things what we have spoken about. Communication is the most important. If you don't communicate your feelings, if you don't communicate your thoughts, if you don't communicate whatever is happening, your life will be lost. Yes. There will be no energy between the people, between any two people, whether it is your spouse, your husband-wife relationship, your children, parents relationship, any relationship I'm talking about. It requires communication and transparency, trust,
Right.
loyalty.
Right.
Few things are getting add on here.
True.
Of course, everyone requires to do that. And another thing, forgiveness,
Very
which
important.
we all face
Phase.
challenge.
Exactly.
Ego
किसी
comes
ने
in
कुछ गलत
between.
कर दिया तो उसको लेके बैठ जाएंगे, उसका मतलब गुस्सा
Yes.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेके बैठ जाएंगे, बट फॉरगिव नहीं करेंगे कि लेट फॉरगिव इट
Give,
एंड मूव.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. Forgiveness is the key to your happiness. Again, forgive and move on. I'm not saying repeat the mistakes again. I'm not saying forget the mistakes, but yes, forgiveness is something very different from forgetting and forgiving. Two different concepts. Don't forget the mistakes, but forgive the people, those who are doing that, because it will help you in moving on. Otherwise, you are stuck in your past and you will not be able to move ahead. To move ahead, you have to forgive. So forgiveness is for your own happiness, not for the other person's happiness. So I think everybody would love to work on their own. And forgiveness is the very, very challenging task for all of us. I understand that. And once you forgive, it's over and out. You are leading a life of freedom.
True. True. It's very true. Such a
So this is
beautiful
all
thing
I
you
would
have.
like to say about soft skills in nutshell, because it's a huge concept, can be spoken for days. I would rather say continuously, if I speak, I can speak for 2 years, 3 years
Oh my
without a
God.
break,
Wow. Oh, lovely.
because it has a lot of stories in it, a lot of things in
Right.
it.
Right, right, right. But as of
But
now,
here we
we
have a
have
limitation. Preeti ji
limited
has
time.
put us in that bracket where we have to speak only for some minutes. I think I might have crossed
Um,
those minutes, I'm sure.
no, you haven't crossed as of now, but yes, little bit time is left so that I can show you the gratitude for this, for coming and sharing such a great experience of yours with useful tips. मतलब आपने जो है इतनी शॉर्ट टाइम में भी इतनी मेन मेन चीजें सारी गिना दी कि वो प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ की भी और हर बच्चे को भी जो इसको इम्पोर्टेंट लगे और जो इसको वो अडाप्ट कर सके. तो एंड आई वुड सीरियसली लव कि मैं आपको नेक्स्ट उसमें फिर से बुला के मैं इसको और डिटेल में हर एक एक डोमेन के बारे में आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू सिट फॉर आवर्स फॉर मी.
Thank you so much. I would love to come back. And this time I would be coming up with the stories.
Okay, wow, lovely, lovely. Means how can we go about it? That's we will talk about. And yes, thank you so much, Ina ji, for coming and sharing such a beautiful experience of yours with as a soft skills trainer. She is basically a soft skill trainer और आपको इनकी बातों से भी लग गया होगा the way she has communicated the whole episode. इनके फेस से ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ये बोलना क्या चाह रहे हैं, समझाना क्या चाह रहे हैं. So true role model or true example is in front of you all. So thank you so much, Inaji, for coming and giving your time to.
Thank you so much, Preeti. It's lovely being with you, and you have been doing a wonderful job as a parenting coach. All the best to you for this counseling and parenting, which is a very, very important skill required by today's parents, especially because the world is running so fast in the technology based environment where our children also require so much of attention, and parenting has changed completely 360 degrees. So, all the best to you, and thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much.